Hey guys, so year by year the pricing of smartphones are getting higher and higher, and there's nothing much we can do about that. As well as we know, Galaxy S9 Plus will be the most expensive Samsung phone ever made, so they are trying to justify the price. Samsung will provide some free stuff with the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. This free stuff will include like a Gear VR or a wireless AKG headphone. When I pre-ordered my Galaxy S8, I got a free wireless charger. I would have much more preferred a wireless headphone or a VR, but at least I got something. The thing to remember is that these free goodies are not available for everyone. These are available for just some selected markets. We don't know that which will be those selected markets, but I think that these will include some big markets for Samsung like USA, India, China, Australia, and definitely Korea. I think that these free goodies are not enough to justify the very high pricing, but they will definitely act as a bandage on an open wound of paying $1000. And I dearly appreciate Samsung for doing this because everyone is not gentle enough to give you free stuff. Some $1000 phones don't even come with a fast charger. As per Ice Universe, the Galaxy S9 will come with Bixby 2.0, so now you don't have to say hi Bixby every single time. Now you will be able to talk to Bixby just like a normal person. ONLEAKS shared this image showing the dimensions of the Galaxy S9 versus Galaxy S8. The blue one is the Galaxy S9 and the white one is the Galaxy S8. The top bezel of Galaxy S9 is just a hairline thinner. The earpiece is noticeably thinner. The Galaxy S9 will be 0.4 mm thicker than the Galaxy S8, we can see that here. And the bottom bezel of the Galaxy S9 will be noticeably thinner than the Galaxy S8. These are the dimensions of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus respectively. So yeah guys, that's it for now. Let me know one thing, can they justify the high price by giving free goodies? I don't think so. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more Galaxy S9 videos. Until next time, peace out.